Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to add the Bluetooth icon to the control center in this device. First of all, go to the control center. Actually already the Bluetooth icon is inside the control center inside this connectivity folder. So if you want to add separate Bluetooth icon to the control center, let me show you. Then we need to customize this control center. For this, tap and hold the blank area of the control center, then tap on the option add a control. Now go down. So under the connectivity section you will get the option Bluetooth, right? Tap on this one. Yeah, now the Bluetooth icon is came here on the control center, and you can also rearrange and resize this icon. So let me show you how to resize this one, like this simply. So let me show you. Yeah, you can see after edit this one, tap on the blank area of the control center. So simply you can see the Bluetooth icon is on the control center in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.